Hi guys, I know like my head looks weird, but I went to Walmart because like it's just like dumb thing for yearbook. Like we have to make a yearbook scrapbook thing, and it's like so annoying. Then we did a little Walmart haul. So first I got screen protectors for the scrapbook because I didn't feel like buying a scrapbook because it was expensive, and yeah, it was expensive. It was like $10, and it's about like every like $5 for each paper thing. And I got some cardstock to put the pictures in and to write on. These are gonna go in the screen protectors. And then I got, instead of buying the scrapbook, I just bought a binder. I hope she lets us. She said all you need is a hardback and stuff. And then I bought some Salon Perfect Strip Eyelash adhesive because I don't like the one that it comes with the eyelash. So, and then I'm trying the new baby lips. This is in the color 50 Twinkle. And I'm excited for this twinkle, twinkle, little stars. And yeah, so I'm going to do that. Yeah, bye.